Don't be so quick to call a child lazy. You might be misunderstanding them. There are kids who sit at their desks for hours and do nothing, and adults immediately assume they lack discipline. But the truth is, they're not stupid, and it's not that they don't fear bad grades. They're just studying out of fear of being scolded, fear of disappointing their parents, not because they truly want to learn. And when something has no personal meaning, the brain naturally shuts down motivation. Think about it. That same child can spend hours playing games without getting bored. So the problem isn't laziness, it's the lack of a reason that belongs to them. A child with a reason will move forward on their own. A child without one will stay stuck, no matter how much you push. Instead of saying, just study, try asking, why are you learning? Because sometimes, all it takes is finding that reason for a child to find themselves again.